Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear recent search history suggestion on Facebook. So here you guys can see I've already on my Facebook, and if you want to see your recent search history, you need to go to the search menu by clicking on the magnifying glass at the top, and here is my recent search. So if you want to delete just one of them, you can just click on the cross icon in here, for example, like this, and it will be disappear or deleted in your recent search like this. But if you want to clear all the recent search history, you can just click on see all. Oops, click on see all, and here is your whole search history. To clear all, just click on the clear all option at the top right of your phone, and then here clear all searches and visits, just click on clear all, and now it has been cleared like this and nothing to see here, they say. Okay guys, so that is how you can clear recent search history suggestion on Facebook. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.